Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Subrato Dasgupta. In today's video tutorial, I will show you Ventures pipeline in acoustic guitar version. The first guitar riff is there's the main guitar riff. One is on E minor and this A minor. Okay. Now the first slide is you have to stroke this triplet down up 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 down up. So there's your tempo 1 2 1 2 3 4. There's a 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Look this carefully here, and you have to mute on your palm. Just put the palm here and mute it, your 6th string. Okay. This is your tempo 1 2 3 4. Now sliding from 15th fret. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, clear? One second. 1 2 3 4. That's your 16. Mute. Okay. So 1 2 3 4. This total 4 section. This one section. Thus 1 2 3 4. The note is the E 6th open and the 5th string 2, and then 16th 3rd and 5th 2. This is a main guitar riff, and now the melody is the 2 fret on A string and the D string on 0 and 2 fret. On D string open 2 4 2 open and 2. Once again, then D string on 4 2 4 2 0 2 0 on A string 2. The next phrase on D string 2 fret, the G string on 0 and 2 fret. On G string 0 2 4 2 0 2. Then on G string 4 2 4 2 0 2 0 on D string 2. So once again I am playing. second phrase. Then B and C. You will use, this is a power chord actually, electric guitar power chord. But in a acoustic guitar, we can play the full swing. Fifth to second string, or fifth string to third string. I will recommend fifth to third. That's the stroke. Then on sixth string, 7 5 7 5 7. 7 5 7 5 7 5 7 5 7 5 7 5. A minor chord, 10. This time 2 phrase only, 4 4 on. One phrase, another phrase. Then again one counter there. This is actually filler. Fourth string 2, third G string 0 and B string 0, and the G string 2 and G string 0. So if you can, you play. Okay. This A, G string on 2, B string on 1, E string 0, and B string third and B string 1. Actually this is A minor chord.